frog peeps. Hello everyone, welcome here again with some another help how to repair smartwatch. Actually Apple Smartwatch Series 1, and as you can see this watch is really well smashed and it's got a really big smash on the screen. All you will be need is some special tools which you will be hit on the microwave, or you will be need hit your watch little bit, because you need to really take it off the screen first. Which one is as you can see, it's been really nice and big smash, and this watch actually going down very easily. It's the tools I use I will be put on the description. You can find all of the tools, and it's a like pillow with some stuff inside. I think it's like pin pillow, and you can buy this on eBay, where I will be put a link. The stuff you just put in the microwave for a couple of seconds and put on the top of your watch, and after that, once this watch so hot or hot enough, you can actually open the screen easily with the opening tools. And once you got the screen separate from the thread, be careful, don't lift it too much, because on the one side, as you can see, there's like shield which you need to take it off slowly, don't damage the connector. And once you take off this shield, you will be got an easy access to all screen connector, but don't unplug them. Unplug first a battery. Always remember, anything you actually do, unplug the battery first. Whatever is it, switch off or on, or whatever is it status of your watch or any electronic stuff, always take off the power, because if it's power inside, you can make a more damage than before, and that you actually don't like it. But like this video, you don't need a like, but you can share, because this can help. And as you can see, it's not really easy to unplug this battery, but with piece of luck you can do it without damage. And don't scratch too much all of the glass around which is stay on there, because there is actually touch force flex as well. Don't damage that, please, because it's another money for touch force flex. And yeah, as you can see, battery is down and off from the watch. You can now easily and gently, with piece of care, unplug the screen flex and separate the flex from LCD. And once it is done, you can just easily take off the screen. Nothing else, there is just two connections. One is for touch, another one is for the screen powering on, and all of the lovely display which you can see over there. And because the screen is not there anymore, we got the easy access to clean all of the glass which is left on the touch force flex. Remember, don't broken that, because once you broken this, you will be need a new one, and there's some things like you really don't want. But I want to click like and subscribe for this channel, because I like all of my new lovely subscriber. And here we go, we got a lovely clean frame for ready, putting a new tape around, and probably a new screen. Why probably? We definitely gonna put a new screen. Yeah, it is about the new screen for your watch. Okay, as you can see, I always use my double side strong tape, because the tape which is originally come with the watch LCD is piece of rubbish. I never use that because I don't like it. It's always separate over time. This watch is anyway not waterproof, that means I really don't care about that, but it's good to make a good job and put a lovely strong tape, and this tape is actually amazing and strong. It's not problem at all, use this and I never have a problem. I will put some link on the description for you for all of the stuff I use, or very similar stuff. As you can see, double tape is ready, there, and now we can prepare the new screen for fitting. First you need to do is actually plug in the flex. Why? Just why not? Because it's better that first plug-in battery. Okay, that's not enough to joke. Just plug in that to FPC connector slowly, and yes, I use the tweezer. If you don't like to use the tweezer, use your hand or something else, but definitely be careful, because if you make a damage you will need to change more parts as before. Once you done this, just put the top shield cover for the flex from the LCD, and we're nearly done. Just plug in the battery, and once you plug in the battery, all will be good, all will be there, because all you need to done is just push the screen down to your double tap, which will be actually help with the lovely pressure. Okay, and now we're done and all is fine, look like new if you don't care about the scratch on the frame, and everything is working lovely and as new again. All is done, all is looks like new. Look at that, it's working like new again. Don't forget click like, click subscribe, and smash that bell button just next to subscribe button if you like repair like this. That's been good commentary? I'm not sure. If you don't like it, just click the dislike. If you like it, click like, and I hopefully see you on my next video. Bye and subscribe.